welcome back to Rajdigitech channel. Now you can learn about how to install a Python software to develop a program. Here you can see how to install a software. Download for Windows. Now click on it. Simply you can continue to download. Click on it, and you have to set up the Python IDE into your local machine. Python is a great platform for the implementation of programs, softwares, anything. So it is a beginner friendly, from beginners to expert experienced developers. You can use it and develop using Python. Now here you can click on install now. It will notify you to that. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? Yes, you can click on yes. So it will continue to download. So don't worry about it. I have already downloaded the IDE. So let's get started with Python IDE. Now Python IDE 64-bit 3.7 version. Click on it and continue to IDE integrated development environment. So you can also ask the help from Python IDE. You can type it help, like it will notify you that help, and you can write the object here. Don't worry about it. I'll tell you about that. So let's get started with program. So it is simple program. You can write it, print. It is easier to implement rather than Java. Welcome to Python course. For beginners. So you can print it, how it will be displayed. You can see. So it will be displayed as welcome to Python course for beginners, and you can print two values to add for adding operation. Now I will declare a variable to the value. Let's assign the I variable to the value of I, and j variable to the value of 20, and print it now. Print sum of two values. Just type it I plus j. So you can see some of the I plus J here. We are after we have performed an addition for I plus J. Likewise, you can implement more and more on the Python IDE.